Bora Bora, the Pearl of the Pacific, is a dream wedding destination with its crystal-clear lagoon and tropical allure. To ensure your special day is as perfect as the setting, timing is everything. The ideal season to tie the knot here is during the dry season, from May to October, when the sun blesses the island with its presence, and the skies paint a perfect backdrop for your I-dos. During these months, the Southern Hemisphere's winter offers up sunny days with temperatures hovering between a comfortable 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. The dry season's clear waters and gentle trade winds not only promise stunning wedding photos, but also set the stage for an array of outdoor activities. Envision exchanging vows on a pristine beach, or within the luxurious embrace of a world-class resort. This is the magic the dry season in Bora Bora offers. But what about the wet season, you ask? Spanning from November to April, this time of year brings a different kind of romance. The island's greenery thrives, and the rain, often brief, can add a dramatic touch to your ceremony. With the right planning, including a backup venue, your wedding can be just as enchanting and often more budget-friendly during these months. For those seeking a middle ground, April and November serve as the shoulder seasons. These transitional months mix the best of both worlds, offering a blend of good weather and potential cost savings. While a backup plan for rain is still advisable, these months can provide a sweet spot for your matrimonial plans. When planning your Bora Bora wedding, consider your budget, as the high season may come with a premium price tag. Think about your guests' availability and any travel constraints they might face. Your personal weather preference and the availability of your dream venue are also critical factors. And don't forget to align your honeymoon plans with the season's offerings, whether it's water sports or simply luxuriating in an overwater bungalow. Ready to embark on the journey to your dream wedding in Bora Bora? Far and away, Adventures is here to make your vision a reality. With our expertise in Bora Bora weddings, we'll ensure your day is nothing short of magical. Contact us today, and let's start planning your unforgettable island wedding. Whether in the dry season's embrace or the wet season's lushness, your Bora Bora wedding awaits, promising to be as timeless and beautiful as the love it celebrates. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.